Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego puzzle box / puzzle boxes because I made it. It all goes together with like two, I guess. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna show y'all the puzzle box that I made like 30 minutes ago. Let me just check that everything's okay. Okay, yeah. There's also this one right here, but that's the second part. So I'll show you that later. Like in a different video, because this will be 2 parts. So yeah. You start with one piece. Where is it? I think it is. I'm trying to look. Right here. This piece. And then you're trying to get this spinner wheel up, but there's something blocking it. Oops. Right there, the yellow one. So you have to get this and put it in there, and then it'll come out the back. Take it out. Now it can go a little bit higher, but there's still something blocking its path. So now we have to touch it again. This one right here. Put it in. Push it out the end. Or, like, you could use the yellow one to push it out the end, just if you want to. It comes out the back. And now you can spin this all the way, and then look what it does. Clink. And then this part pops open, which is this. And that is done with the first part right now. Bye!